Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Jenny Jo. In this video, we will be exploring the class homepage from the parent perspective. The class homepage is where students and parents can view assignments, grades, and resources, and communicate with the instructor and other students. It is similar in function to Google Classroom or Canvas. To find the class homepage, a parent must first log into the member side of the website, then navigate to the classroom dashboard. You might find this in a link or a button on your member homepage, or it could be an option in your main menu or in the very top menu. In this example, there's a link in the main menu under Class Info and a menu item in the very top menu. On the classroom dashboard, there are three different views: the parent view, the student view, and the instructor view if you are an instructor. As a parent, you can see your student's view, but if your student logs in with their own username and password, then the student cannot see the parent view. It is recommended that if you have an older student who will need to upload their own work, that you give him his own login. This can be done from within the family profile. Giving a student a separate account from the parent prevents a student from accessing his siblings' classes, and it prevents a student from being able to assign his own grades if the Allow Parent Grading feature is turned on for an assignment. The parent view of the classroom dashboard will display all current and future classes that all members of the family are enrolled in. Select the name of a particular class to visit that class's homepage. The first thing that you will see on the class homepage is the announcements. This is a one-way communication from the teacher to the class. You cannot reply to the announcements. Only the most recent announcement that the teacher has posted will be visible here. Then you can see a series of tabs for all of the various tools. The first one is the About tab. This contains the basic info about the class, such as day and time. If there is a syllabus attached, it will probably be in the list of class-level resources. These resources are uncategorized. The Assignments tab. This contains the list of all assignments. You can click on any assignment to get to the assignment detail page. This is where students can find all the details about the assignment: instructions, assignment-specific resources, instructor feedback, etc. If the instructor has allowed student uploads or parent grading, this is where that will be done. Next is the Resources tab. This contains the class-level resources, and these resources are categorized. Resources can include things like Word documents, pictures, charts, links to other websites, etc. The Media tab. This is where instructors can provide links to Zoom meetings or YouTube recordings, etc. The Roster. Here you can see the names of the other students in the class if your admin has enabled this. Attendance. If the instructor is taking attendance, this tab will display the attendance history for this student. Assessments. Assessments allow an instructor to assign marks for the softer skills, such as works well with others or comes prepared with materials. If the instructor is using the assessments, this tab will display how the student has been evaluated on those skills. Grades. Parents can see the student's grade by period, such as semesters or trimesters, and by category, homework, quizzes, tests, etc. To see a detailed breakdown of all assignments, parents can look on the Assignments tab or download the full grade report. And finally, Conversations. This is where instructors, students, and parents can post and reply to each other in threaded conversations. You can click on the little plus sign to skip straight to composing a new thread. And this concludes the video on the class homepage from the parent perspective. If you have any further questions about the class homepage, please see your administrator and they can help you.